In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the squeeze momentum indicator in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're fairly new to TradingView, you'll be able to follow along easily. Go ahead and open up your TradingView Pro chart on your computer. Make sure you're on any chart you'd like to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, the first thing you want to do is look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually located near the middle or left side of the main toolbar above your chart. Click on Indicators. This opens a panel or pop-up where you can search for and add any indicators to your chart. Inside this indicators window, you'll see several tabs and categories such as built-ins, favorites, and community scripts. At the top of this panel, you should see a search bar. That's where we're going to type the name of the indicator we want to use. Click into the search bar and start typing Squeeze Momentum Indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You're looking for the version of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator that best fits your needs. In most cases, you'll see several community scripts and possibly different variations with slightly different names. Look for one with good ratings or a high number of users if you're unsure which to pick. Once you've found the squeeze momentum indicator you want, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, it will be added to your chart. You should now see a new panel appear, usually at the bottom of your chart, showing the squeeze momentum histogram and any accompanying signals that come with that script. From here, you can customize it further if you like. To do that, hover over the indicator's name in the chart panel and click on the settings icon. This lets you adjust inputs, colors, or visibility to match your trading style. If the panel takes up too much space, you can also resize it by dragging the top edge up or down. And that's all you need to do to add the squeeze momentum indicator in TradingView Pro. If you're interested in upgrading or trying out TradingView Pro and supporting the channel at the same time, feel free to use the affiliate